The holiday season is well underway, and this month we're serving up a menu that's sure to be a crowd pleaser while still taking a lighter approach and featuring some of those key nutrients that improve health. From appetizers and side dishes to entrees and desserts, any menu feature can be made more balanced with just a few simple tips. And whether you're entertaining the whole family or just hosting a small get-together this year, these better-for-you holiday side dishes are going to be a hit with everyone. When you're planning side dishes for the holidays, you want to think about the textures and colors of your food. And the winter season, we know, offers a hearty and vibrant balance of vegetables. To tantalize the palate, try featuring roasted veggies. This achieves a caramelization that leads to a crisp outside while being tender on the inside with a sweetened flavor. You can try simply roasted Brussels sprouts, parsnips, beets, sweet potatoes, and carrots. And this recipe is really easy to make in a single sheet pan, which reduces cleanup. When done, you can simply toss the cooked veggies with a citrus vinaigrette that brings all the flavors together and balances out some of the bitters in those vegetables. Another tip for your holiday sides is to lighten up those rich, decadent dishes with some simple swaps. So creamy dishes can be lightened up by trading some heavy cream for Greek yogurt, which is going to be high in protein and adds a little bit of richness and texture to those dishes. For sauces, simply mix equal parts Greek yogurt and whole milk to thicken and add to the texture. Mashed potatoes are a classic example for the holiday season. Mixing in yogurt in place of part of the liquid will add a bit of a tang, but it still has a balance of savory flavor and creamy texture. And then to give a little bit of an extra boost of color and flavor, try adding in some chopped fresh herbs like parsley or thyme. The last tip to add more balance is to feature more fiber grains. This boosts the flavor and the nutritional benefits of your spread. So instead of traditional rice or pasta, try some ancient grains like quinoa or barley. Mix in dried cranberries, roasted butternut squash, and spinach to make a seasonal side dish. Featuring more grains is going to add a nutty contrast to those heavier dishes, plus it's going to add fiber and protein. This can also be served heated or cold, so it makes a great side dish to bring to a potluck-style gathering. And this one offers a good source of iron, which helps with red blood cell formation and immune health. To aid in the absorption of iron, you want to pair those grains with a good source of vitamin C, like sliced citrus or pomegranate arils. Prioritize striking a balance this holiday season and consider these simple swaps to up your nutrition game. You can find more recipe inspiration to celebrate at foodcity.com.